Step inside an Amish home. What do you see? No dust, no clutter, no chaos. Everything looks spotless. Every corner feels calm. You wonder, how do they do it? How do they keep order in a world so simple? Today we uncover it. Their secrets, their rules, the way they live clean without stress. The Amish way of organization. And maybe, just maybe, you can bring some of it into your own home. 1. Simplicity as the first rule. You walk into an Amish home, and the first thing you notice, there is space. Air moves freely. No stacks of random objects. No piles of decorations. Nothing unnecessary. It feels light. Their secret begins with simplicity. They don't collect things just because they saw it in a store or because it looked cute. Every object has a reason. A chair is for sitting. A table is for eating. A shelf is for storage. That's it. The Amish don't believe in excess. They believe too many things bring chaos. The more you own, the more you clean. The more you fix, the more you stress. They don't want that. So they keep what matters and let the rest go. It makes life easier. It makes homes spotless without endless scrubbing. In their world, less really does mean more. 2. Daily routines that don't wait. Here is another truth. Amish homes don't wait for Saturday cleaning. No, chores are daily, almost sacred. You finish breakfast, dishes are washed right away. Not in 2 hours, not in the evening, right away. Floors? Swept morning and evening. Beds? Made the moment someone gets up. Laundry? Never left for weeks. They know something simple. If you wait, dirt grows. Clutter grows. Stress grows. So they keep routines alive. They never allow mess to breathe long enough to multiply. And here's the thing, because they do it every day, nothing feels heavy. Nothing feels like a giant task. At the end of the day, no mess stares back. No pile whispers tomorrow. Their homes stay light, always fresh, always ready. 3. Family is a team, not just one person. This might surprise you. Amish cleaning is not the job of one tired mother. It's everyone. Small kids pick up toys. Older ones sweep, mop, fold. Teenagers handle laundry, cooking, heavy lifting. Parents guide, but do not carry it all. The house becomes a shared responsibility, and that is why it doesn't break anyone down. Chores are not punishment. They are family bonding. They are training. They are respect for the home. When a child grows, they already know clean space is not just comfort, it's discipline. And because everyone works together, the house shines. It doesn't matter if you're 6 or 60. Everyone leaves a mark of care behind. That's the real power. Many hands, one spotless home. For cleaning as faith, not just task. For the Amish, cleaning is not just scrubbing floors or wiping shelves. It's faith in action. They believe God sees discipline. God sees order. A clean house reflects a clean heart. It shows gratitude for what you own. It shows respect for family and neighbors. That's why chores are done with devotion, not complaint. They don't groan, why me again? They see it as part of a humble life. When sweeping, they sweep with intention. When washing, they wash with care. And because it is tied to belief, it never feels empty. It feels meaningful. The home is not just tidy. It feels alive. It feels sacred. 5. Furniture built for use, not for show. Step inside their living room. Look around. You won't see big fancy couches with 10 pillows you can't sit on. You won't see tables covered with magazines and little shiny decorations. You'll see wood. Strong, handmade, simple wood. Built to last. Built to use. That's the key. Amish furniture is made for life, not for pictures. A chair you can scrub clean. A table you can wipe down in one go. No complicated designs, no fragile pieces. Function comes first. Because of that, dust has no place to hide. Dirt has no corner to build in. Everything stays cleaner longer. While many homes struggle to maintain decorations, Amish homes remain spotless because their furniture is honest. 6. Natural cleaning straight from simplicity. Forget rows of chemical sprays. Forget cabinets filled with bottles labeled for every small job. Amish homes keep it simple. Vinegar, soap, baking soda, hot water. That's it. Simple, natural, strong. No clutter shelves of cleaning products. No confusion about what to use where. They trust old remedies. They work, they are safe, and they don't fill the home with waste. Even their rags are reused cloth, not endless paper towels. Cleaning doesn't become another consumer habit. It becomes resourceful, efficient, pure. That's why their homes feel fresh, not chemical-laden. They are clean in the truest sense of the word. 7. Seasonal deep cleans that cut the clutter. Here's something modern homes often forget. The Amish don't just do daily cleaning. They do seasonal deep cleans. Spring, summer, fall, winter. Each time the season shifts, the house shifts too. Old clothes, sorted. Broken tools, fixed or tossed. Storage shelves, emptied, scrubbed, reorganized. Kitchens, cleared and cleaned. Nothing sits in a corner for 5 years gathering dust. Nothing is allowed to grow stale. Their homes breathe with the seasons. That cycle keeps them fresh, uncluttered, alive. While many modern homes drown in forgotten boxes and old piles, Amish homes remain free because they reset again and again. 8. Order in every little thing. Amish homes respect order, and not just in the big things, beds, tables, shelves. Even the smallest things are placed with intention. Look in their kitchen, jars neatly in rows. Look in a drawer, folded clothes like they were ironed by patience itself. Tools in the barn, lined perfectly, ready for the next use. This order removes chaos. No time wasted looking for things. No corners filled with random piles. Everything has a place. And because everything has a place, cleaning becomes natural. No shoving, no hiding. No, I'll deal with it later. Order saves time. It saves effort. And it creates calm. That's why an Amish home feels spotless the moment you step inside. 9. No gadgets, no distractions. Let's be real. One reason many modern homes get messy? Distractions. The phone rings. The TV calls. The internet scroll never ends. Hours disappear, chores wait, mess grows. But Amish homes don't carry those distractions. No TV shouting in the background. No phone buzzing every 5 minutes. No internet dragging hours away. Their time belongs to life, not to screens. That gives space for cleaning, for order, for presence. Their home stays spotless because their minds are not pulled in 100 directions. They live slower, but slower means cleaner. Slower means calmer. Slower means always in control. 10. Community as silent motivation. Last secret, maybe the strongest. Amish homes don't stand alone. They belong to a community. Neighbors visit often. Families gather for meals. Church meets inside homes. That means the house is never just private, it is shared space. And because it is shared, there is pride. There is accountability. A dirty home would not only embarrass the family, it would speak of their discipline, their values. So they keep it spotless, always ready for a neighbor's knock. It's not fear, it's honor. It's not pressure, it's respect. Community keeps the standards high, and every home rises to meet it. That's why Amish homes never fail to impress. So now you know, the reason Amish homes shine is not magic. It's not fancy products. It's not endless hours of scrubbing. It's discipline. It's family effort. It's faith. It's simplicity. Their homes stay spotless because their lives are built on order, not chaos. You could take pieces of that, a little routine, a little less clutter, a a little more respect for space. And your home will change too. If you liked this journey into their world, stay with us. More stories, more lessons, more secrets of simple living. This is Rustic Pantry, where we bring you wisdom for a cleaner, calmer life.